Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sangma mentakasngi habakran cikilat pathai khubor halor ke Jingmudui ke N.I.A saying bishar persyae ki sawut ki Dkhot ke Hnlc uloong baka sarkar Dkhot bat dia tai bat kinang bun ki kam ban hab ban le bat kam de ke besuk baka Jingïakren kan sulong no menta bat ka kham shempor bat ukerman baka Jingïakren kan sasdang no kham kloy uloong ba umla ban ya thu ban ya halor ki kam ki ba Ïasuk Hendai ula ban ai ke jingpin scam halor ke jing tresitom ka baka sarkar kale bantai ke jingen baka jingshania uloong ru baka nom dan kanu ke jingpin wet ha ke Ïasuk Ïasuk ka ban salong shen kumban chupen kan mau ke National Investigation Agency ha ka sngi baar kalalet ra ya ka Jingmudui Shaying Bishar Persya General Secretary ke Hnlc ba san kupar nong trau lembat ya laingut ki wei pat ha ka bayade ke jingpen bethai bom ha ka jaka sa ki nong tre ke Star Cement halum shnong East Janta Hills.
Basically, the talks at an unofficial level have already communication has started. So we cannot say that there are peace talks, but as you're aware that a lot of groundwork has to be done. We have to build up the confidence. We have to discuss different matters. It's not that just we meet one fine day and we say, let's start talking. It doesn't happen like that. It's very complicated. So the process to come to an official talk to start, that process has started. And we are doing the groundwork for it. And we're hopeful that very soon we will be able to have the official talks starting very soon. But unofficially, many rounds of discussions have taken place. As I said, I can't give too many details, but I can assure you that a lot of hard work is going on into this, and it's many years we have had this concerns and issues, and it's not very simple to just simply sit one day and say let's start talking. So we have to build up, and the most important is the trust and the confidence level, and that's what we're trying to do. And we feel that we have made quite a bit of headway in that, and we're hopeful that we should be able to start the official talks soon, but I would not like to put a date to it right now.
So this is my agenda
of that. So I don't want to share all of that with you right now because, as I said, it would be premature. But we are working on all of this. These exactly
because they're demanding for the.
No, I think you must have seen the communication that has come from them that they are coming for unconditional talks and very much within the constitutional framework of the country. And so that is where it is. But obviously they'll have many concerns, and we are working towards all of that. So I think, as I said, it will be too premature to get into details of that. And as I said, it will not be appropriate for me to talk about that. When that appropriate time comes in, the interlocutor and the concerned individuals and the groups and maybe officials from Government of India will discuss those matters. But I'm here to tell you that it is moving in the right direction. Independent processes that are going on from the N.I.A, it's an organization. But let me assure everybody that there will not be any hindrance or any kind of a stumble or hurdle to the peace talks. We will continue, and in whatever way we can discuss with since Government of India is involved directly, MHA is directly involved in this. So obviously they know the complications of these steps also. So obviously wherever these discussions need to be made with MHA, we will discuss it. But let me give assurance that we will ensure that there is no kind of hurdle or any kind of interference or any kind of problem because of these investigations. These are the independent investigations by an independent agency that are going on. So this will not and should not affect the peace talks.
So 15.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.